Organizing is the second important function of management. It helps the organization in achieving its objectives and goals on time. It creates coordination between the goals of the organization and the resources. It helps in proper utilization of human resources and the physical resources present in the organization. In organizing, actually, the total work of the organization is divided into number of departments like production department, marketing, sales, etc. And all the activities of particular nature are placed under one department. Like all the activities of sales are kept under sales department. All the activities of marketing are kept under marketing department. In this way, organizing is very important for any organization to achieve its goals on time and efficiently. It removes confusion among the employees and helps in achieving the goals. When we talk about importance of the organization, I have listed out 7 importances. First one is benefit of specialization. When employees do the same work every day, regularly, they become specialized, they become more expertised in the same work, and this leads to specialization. The second thing is clarity in working relationships. I already told you that organizing divides the work and clearly defines the jobs. When everybody in the organization know what is responsibility and to whom he is responsible, then we can say the working relationships are very clear. The third advantage importance is optimum utilization of resources. Whatever resources are present in the organization, that resources can be used very efficiently when things are properly planned and things are properly organized. The fourth one is adaptation to change. If any changes take place in the environment of the organization, maybe internal or maybe external, these changes can be adapted into the organization, implemented in the organization easily without any difficulty if your organization structure is proper. The fifth importance is effective administration. It becomes very easy to administer the things, to govern the things when your organizing is in proper structure. The sixth one is development of personnel. Here personnel means employees, the workers. The employees and workers get ample opportunities to develop their efficiency, to develop their skill when your organization structure is properly developed. The seventh one is expansion and growth. Here every employee get an opportunity to grow and expand. The organization provides him ample opportunities, training opportunities, and other social opportunities by which he can grow and he can expand. In this way, organizing is very, very important in any organization to achieve the goals, to implement the plans.